Well, that was a double whammy. Run a red light and speeding at the same time. License, please. Mar Chad McCall in McCall in.
Morgen mag Gaelic.
Is that Gaelic?
Gaan je lachen mag Gaelic? Wil Gaelic ek het een?
You do speak English, don't you? Surely.
Is Talium konjenig is kurang en Tjekin? Ha kachtig bevragen, vergerekeerd.
Oh, shit.
Han aardige woord op dinge bekse galje. Min korke is kon ma er zo'n dag in de vuurtje ma house skietje against en was een kaskeliaad magul.
Okay, here's the deal. I'm going to let you off with a warning this time. Yeah? So you can go, you can drive in your car and drive away. You go, yeah? Great, right. You can go then.
Cheers pal, thanks very much.